श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम ओम मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्त कौमुदीयं विरच्यते अ इ उन् ऋल् ऋक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् ळण् ञमङणनं झभञ् घढ धश् जबगडदश् खफ चटथ चटतौ कपै श ष सर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि सु औजस् अम् औक्षस् ताभ्यां भिस् ङेभ्यां भ्यस् ङसिभ्यां भ्यस् ङस् ओस् आम् ङि ओस् सुप्. So yesterday we were seeing ato gune. Okay. In ato gune, apadantad akarat gune paratah pararupne ekadeshasya. It says when the apadanta anga akara is followed by guna, apadanta akara is followed by guna character a o. Okay, then pararupa a o will be ekadesha. Okay, that is what this ato guna sutra says. Iti prapte, when this situation we said paratvat purvasavarna dirgha. Since it is para, purvasavarna dirgha will take place. What is purvasavarna dirgha? Savarna dirgha we know. Savarna dirgha is ato akasavarne dirgha. And purvasavarna dirgha is prathamayoho purvasavarna. That is why it says ato gune itihi ato gune. In the sutra there is a paribhasha. Purastad apavadaha anantaran vidhin badhante na uttaran. This is one important rule. Purastan apavadaha, the later apavada, whatever apavada comes later, anantaran vidhin badhante, it only refutes the vidhi which is anantara, na uttaran, not the later. Wait, anantaran means following, uttaran means later. What does it really mean actually? Uttaran and anantaran, they are both same actually. When if you are going to use in a language, so tad uttaram, tad paschat, tad anantaram, you can say, you use these words as synonyms. But here it is not said in that meaning. Anantara means which is very close to. Uttara means which is farther. Okay, so this purastha, based on this rule, you can only negate something which is close by, not farther. That is the idea. Okay, beautiful. Iti nyayena, based on this nyaya, akasavarne dirgha iti yasya eva apavadaha. This is akasavarne dirgha apavada only. Natu prathameva purvasavarnasya api. Therefore, it is not prathameva purvasavarna apavada. Do you understand? So this atogune will only refute the akasavarni dirgha, not the prathameva purvasavarna. So what happens is you have Rama, that is the form. Rama plus, what is that? Su or just. Okay, Rama plus just. Because Rama plus Su, Rama plus Au, prathameva purvasavarna Au, Ramau. Okay, then Rama plus just, Chutu, Rama plus As, Navakto Tusmaha, Rama plus As, Navakto Tusmaha refutes the Sakara Lopa, Halantyam, otherwise it will go Halantyam. Okay, so Rama plus As. In this situation, we have a Atogune. Atogune is refuted by Akasavarna dirgha. Now Akasavarna dirgha comes, A plus A. Akasavarna dirgha comes. At that point of time, this sutra comes and says, don't bring in Akasavarna dirgha. So, Prathameva Purvasavarna will come and say, I will function here. Prathameva Purvasavarna, A Savarna, Rama plus A plus Sakara, Rama plus Sakara, Sasashuru Kravasana Visarjaya, Ramaha. Sakara Rutta Visarga is taken for granted. Okay, so that is why he says Uttaraniti. Paratvaditi, that is where, no, iti prapte iti, that is where we stopped yesterday. Okay, nacha paratvad akasavarne dirgha iti kuto nasyaditi vachyam. Since paratva, that is para, that is later sutra, akasavarne dirgha should function. Why it should not functioning here? Akasavarnadirgha iti prapte eva arabhyamana pararoopasya tad apavadatvat. This akasavarna dirgha is going to take place at that point of time. You are bringing the praktapaya purusvarna, so that is apavada for that. Okay, iti paratva parat parad apavadasya balistvad iti bhavah. More than the para, apavada is a powerful. Okay, so when you have para later and there is apavada, apavada will come and function. It will not look whether it's para or purva, does not really matter. Paratvad iti ato guna ityapekshaya prathamayo purvasvarna ityasya paratvad ityartha. With reference to the ato guna, prathamayo purvasvarna is para. Okay, no, wait, there is one question here. Pararupam idam apavadatvat savarna dirgham iva purvasvarna dirgham api kuto na badhate iti. See, this sutra ato guna is a apavada for para, something which is later. So since akasavana dirgha also comes later as well as a prathamayo purvasvarna also, why doesn't it negate both the sutras? So guna will take place, guna should take place. Ato guna iti ityadi anantaran avyavahita nityartha uttaran vyavahita nityartha. So the sutra how you have to understand, that is explained clearly. Anantara means something which is close by, uttara means something which is farther. Okay, therefore ataha ato guna iti uttaram avyakta करणस्य इत्यादि पठित्वा अकस्सवर्णे दीर्घः प्रथमे पूर्वसवर्णे इति पठितम्. So after ato gune there is avyakta anukaranasya etc. and you have akassavarna dirgha and prathame purvasvarna. Now tadascha pararupamidam savarna dirghameva badate nadu tad vyavahita purvasavarna dirgham api. So immediately whatever comes, only that sutra is negated, which is akassavarna dirgha, not the prathame purvasvarna also. Vastu. In reality, this is the Siddhanta. This is what he wants to say here. Purastad apavada nyayasya nayam vishaya. This rule which we taught here, paribhasha, this is not the subject matter for that rule. Why? Nahi pararupamidam purvasavarna dirghasya apavadah. This pararupa prathamayo purvasavarna is not an apavada for your akassavarna dirgha. Then what? No. Pararupamidam purvasvarna dirghasya apavada. No, this pararupa ato guna is not a apavada for your prathamayo purvasvarna. Why? Bhavanti ityado aprapte api purvasvarna dirghah etasya pararupasya arambhaditi. See, bhavanti etc. in this place, though the purvasvarna dirgha does not take place, this sutra comes and says ato guna should take place etc. Okay, that is why it is begun iti alam. This is enough here. He is just showing the direction in which you have to think. When he says I am stopping here, he is showing the direction. Rutto sargo siddhat krityaha ramaha iti. So accepting Rutto Sarga naturally takes place. He does not bother worry about bringing those two sutras. He just says Ramaha over. Hey Rama Sakara iti ste. Hey Rama plus is iti ste. In this situation, Engrasvat sambuddhi iti vidasyan sambuddhi sanyamaha. So Engrasvat sambuddhe, after bringing this, he is bringing the sambuddhi sanya. Okay, ekavachan iti. Padivadigartha linga vachana paribhasha परिमाण प्रातिपदिकार्थ लिंग परिमाण वचन मात्रे प्रथमा. Based on that sutra ityatah prathama iti anuvrittam षष्ठ्या विप्रणम्यते. That prathama which is carried forward from that sutra is converted into sixth case. Okay, sambodhane cha ityatah sambodhane iti anuvartate. Sambodhane cha, from that sutra you carry forward the sambodhana word. I didn't even read the sutra, I am going into the commentary. एकवचनम संबुद्धिः एकवचनम संबुद्धिः एकवचनम संबुद्धिः एकवचनम संबुद्धिः संज्ञा सूत्र. दिस इज संबोधने प्रथमायाः एकवचनम संबुद्धि संज्ञम स्यात्. In संबोधना प्रथमा एकवचनादि, first case singular will be called as see, first case singular only will be called as sambuddhi, not the dual case or plural. See what happens is, first we know we have declared Ramah, Ramo, Ramaha. That is over. Prathama ekavachana, that is. Okay. Prathama ekavachana, what is the form? Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Over. Now he is jumping to the eighth case. There is no eighth case. Sambodhana is the eighth case, vocative. So vocative singular, he is giving a new name, sambuddhi. Not for vocative dual or plural. Vocative singular is copy paste of a prathama singular, the first case. Okay, vocative itself is a copy paste of a first case subject, right? So now you are carrying copy pasting data, but the first case, the singular of that vocative, that you are giving a name sambuddhi. So only there the change will take place whenever there is a change. It will in the vocative, it will only take place in the first case, singular, not in the dual or the plural. Okay, that is why the hey Rama plus su it is there. That is what he said. Ek Rama plus is. That is the situation now we have. Hey Rama, because we are using the same Rama plus is. You are just adding a hey. You don't have to add anything, but to differentiate it from the first case, you are adding a. You can add hey, ye, o, re, de, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Whichever way you call. Oi, Rama. That also is okay for us. No issues. Okay. So just to differentiate it from the first case, you are adding a hey. Okay. Now hey is Rama plus is it is te. In this situation, yengrasvat sambuddhi iti vidasyan sambuddhi sanyaha. To give the rule that yengrasvat sambuddhe, he is first teaching what sambuddhi means. Because in that sutra, you need to know what sambuddhi is. It is using a code word sambuddhi. It's using a name sambuddhi. So first you have to give the name to call the name. So he is saying ekavachanam sambuddhi. Since sambodhana, in vocative case, the first case, the vocative case singular is called as a sambodhana, sambuddhi. That is what he says. Yeng rasvat sambuddhehe. Next sutra. Yeng rasvat sambuddhehe. Yeng rasvat sambuddhehe. Now we can go to the teak actually. Su sambuddhi iti. See, sambodhana ityata sambodhana iti anuvartate. Sambodhana from that you are carrying for the sambodhana. Prathama from prathamadi, pradipadi bigarthalinga, etc. From prathama, from there you are bringing the prathama. Okay. Now, prathama grahana anurtehe saptami vachanasya supo na grahanam. See, su sambuddhi ityeva suvacham. See, the sutra need not be ekavachanam sambuddhi. You just have to say su sambuddhi. But su can also mean sup. No. Prathama grahana anuvrittehe. Saptami bahuvachanasya supo na grahanam. Since you are carrying forward the prathama from the previous sutra, prathama su is what is su. So you are not going to get confused with the su of sup. Okay. Now, nacha atra pratyagrahana paribhashya tadanta grahanam shakyam. Pratyagrahane tadantapi grahya. That paribhasha will not be applied here. Why? Rasvasya guna iti sambuddho parataha angasya guna vidhana balat. So rasvasya guna, that sutra very clearly says sambuddho angasya. In that sambuddhi, the anga is what is going to get the change, not the anta. So based on that, the strength of that, we are doing this. Sanya vidho pratyagrahane tadanta vidhi nishedha. And this is one rule. This is one reason we are not taking it as anta. Another reason is in the sanya vidhi pratyagrahane tadanta na grahya. That is the rule. That's the paribhasha. In sanya vidhi, when I say pratyaya, that then I should not do the tadanta grahana. So therefore nishedhacha. So based on two reasons, I will not get confused. I just have to say su sambuddhi iti. Ekavachanam sambuddhi is not necessary. Too big a sutra, right? You could have made it a small sutra. Etena tadanta sanya nivrityartham ekavachana grahanam iti apastam. So because of this, to remove the sanya, we are saying ekavachana. That is not necessary because sanya itself will not come. Tadanta will not come here. So tadanta sanya will not come here. Eng rasvaditi. Next sutra. Eng rasvaditi. Engantad rasvanta changat hal lupyate iti sambuddhischet. So what does he say? engantat rasvanta cha angat. In the if the anga is a enganta or rasvanta, then following the anga, what exists? Pratyaya. So the su pratyaya gets a lopa. Lupyate iti lopaha. It gets lopa. That's all. Okay. When sambuddhasya, when that hal is of sambuddhi. Sambuddhi means prathama ekavachana of vocative. Sambuddhyakshiptasya angasya eng rasvabhyam visheshat naiha. So only with reference to the vocative, we are talking about the eng and rasva. The eng and rasva anga with respect to the vocative. Therefore, this will not take, it will not take place here. He katarat kutra iti. He katarat. He katarat. It happens here, right? He katarat plus su. He katarat plus su. Now, su halnyabhya eng rasvat sambuddhe. It should have to go there. But the thing is, katarat, that takara, after the takara is there. That should not get dropped. Lupyate iti. Na. That is why he have to say enganta angasya iti. He Rama iti. He Ramo, he Ramaha. He Rama, he Ramo, he Ramaha. Simple. Prathama ekvachana, enga sambuddhe. Sakara gets dropped. He Rama. He Rama plus au, he Ramo. He Rama plus jasa, chutu, etc. He Ramaha. Same. Okay. Now, eng raspaditi. Tika. Eng raspaditi anga visheshanam. Eng raspaditi anga visheshanam. Eng and rasva is an adjective for anga. Tadanta vidhi. And we are bringing tadanta vidhi. Engantat angat. Raspantat cha angat. Like that. Okay. So, sutisya pratam halityatah haliti prathamaantam anuvartate. Sutra is halnyabhya sutisya pratam halnyabhyo dirgat sutisya pratam hal. See, if I was saying in Tamil, we have this Tirukural, etc. and other things also like that. It's like poems. So in schools, we used to have this section to memorize. And like a shloka verse is there, and you have to memorize that verse. They may say, write the verse which begins with, or they may also ask, write the verse which ends with. Write the verse which begins with is a tip. We already know this. We have memorized it. So when you give the beginning character word, you will just write. But when you say write the verse with ends with, sometimes it is difficult. Like this, sutisya pratam hal. It is the first portion is a halnyabhyo dirga sutisya pratam hal. Okay. Iti ityatah hal iti. From there, the hal is halnyabhyo. You have said hal actually. Prathamantam anuvartate. That prathamanta is carried forward. It's halnyabhyo dirga sutisya pratam hal. That final hal is what is carried forward, not the halnyabhyo hal. Okay. Tacha angad ityatra anveti angad param haliti. So with reference to anga, it will be associated. Therefore, angad param yed hal. Like that, you have to connect it. Lopo vyoho iti ityatah lopa iti anvartate. Lopo vyor vali. From that, lopa is carried forward. Tacha haliti anena samanadikaranyena anveti. Hal with hal in the same adhikarana, in the same vibhakti, in the same declension. So it will be connected with that. Lupyate iti lopaha. That which is a dropped is called as lopa. Karmani ghai. In karmani artha ghai pratyaya comes. Therefore, lopa becomes lupyate. Okay. Sambuddhi iti aveva sashti hal iti antara anveti. Sambuddhi is aveva sashti and it is a connected with a hal. Okay. Now, tatascha engantat rasvantat changat param yad hal sambuddhi avayabhutam tal lupyate iti bhati. Therefore, what we gain is a engantanga with the engantanga and rasvantanga, whichever hal is there. After that, whichever hal is there, that hal gets a sambuddhi avayabhutam hal, the hal which is of the sambuddhi. So that will get a lopa. Tadaha engantaadityadina. That is what is said in the tika. In the mula. Engantaditi. No. Engrasvadityasya adhikarasta abhavat katham angasya visheshyatva labha. So where do you bring this angasya? Because it's not in the anga adhikara. Angasya is the sutra which starts the anga. This is not in that adhikara. Then how did you understand angasya here? Tatra tasya va kim prayojanam. Okay, you did something and you carried forward that anga. But what is the use of that? What is the use of that? Okay, for that he says, Yengo rasvacha param sambuddhi avayabhutam hal lupyatiti vastu. Why? Because you can just simply say Yeng and rasva, following that whatever is the hal which is sambuddhi avayava, whatever is the hal which is part of sambuddhi, that hal will be elided. Simple. You can just say that. Why do you have to bring in anga? Tatra sambuddhi akshiptasya ityadina. That is why he is answering. Sambuddhe pratyatvad tat prakritehe angam artha labhyate. See, sambuddhi is pratyaya. When we say sambuddhi, what do we refer to? Not the he rama portion, but the su portion. First case, su portion is what is given the sambuddhi. First case, su is pratyaya. Before the pratyaya, whatever exists, that is anga. So there is prefix and there is suffix, right? So the prefix normally, actually it's with the word and prefix or word and suffix. That is how we see, right? In other languages, like in Tamil or Hindi or other Indian languages, we have two portions. One is the declension portion and the other is the base. Let us say that when I say declension, the previous word will be base word, right? That is anga. So that is what he is referring to here. Okay? Sambuddhi. Tasya cha enga rasvaha rasvena cha engaha rasvena cha visheshitatvat tadanta vidhau engantat rasvantat angat param hallupyata ityartha arthalabhat ya lopo naityartha. So therefore eng anta and rasvanta is adjective to that anga. Enga, and you are bringing the tadanta vidhi. Engantat angat rasvantat cha angat, like that you understand. So that hal gets a lopa. That is the idea. Therefore, lopa will not take place here. Na ityartha. Where iha ityasya visheshamaha he katarat. Iha kutra iha na iha means not here. Here means where? He katarat in this portion. But I don't see any problem here. Kuliti iti. No, not kutra iti. I was reading it as kutra. Kuliti. He katarat kuliti. Katara shabdasya napumsaka. Katara shabda is napumsaka. Sphoranaya kula shabda. So to strengthen that, we are bringing the kula shabda. Okay. Katara, which family are you from? Like that. Okay. Katara shabdat napumsaka lingat sambuddhi su. I was reading it as I didn't wear the glass and I was trying to read it. And I was reading properly, but sometimes. Katara shabdat napumsaka lingat sambuddhi su. With Katara Shabda, Nahumsakalinga, Sambuddhi, Su comes. Adang Dataradibhya Panchabhya iti tasya Adang Adesha. Adang Dataradibhya Panchabhya, based on this in the Sutra, Adang Adesha it gets. Dakara it. And in Adad, not Adang, Adad. Adad Dakara gets it. Ad. Okay. Ditva Samarthyat Avatvepi Teriti Sporana. Refa dakarasya lopa. Ditva samarthyat avasyapi ter lopa. There is a paribhasha. Okay. Based on that, that is what he says. Ditva samarthyat, because there is other dit there, dakara it there. Based on that, abhatvapi. Though there it is not bhatva. Bhatva means echibham. That is a bhasanya. Okay. So though this is not a bhasanya, what happens? The T lopa. T is a achontya. The T gets lopa. Antyacha from that following whatever character, that is T. Okay. So va avasaneti chartvam. Katarad it becomes. And va avasane katarat. We'll see this va avasane sutra in the fifth case. Ramad ramat. Okay. So ramad will be the normal form. Ramat it will become va avasane chartvam. Katarat ityatra iti. Yadi engrasvadityatra angasya visheshanam visheshyatvam na sya tada kataradityatra takarasya halo ह्रस्वादकारात् परत्वात् संबुद्धि अवयवत्वात् च लोपः प्रसज्यते. So if we don't give the enganta and rasvanta as a adjective to anga, then what happens? In katara shabda, katarad, in katarad, the takara is a hal and it is preceded by akara, hrasva. Okay, therefore, and it is sambuddhi. It's a part of sambuddhi. Hey, katarat. Therefore, that takara will also become lopa. Angasya visheshyatva na dosha. When you say anga, then there is no defect here. There is no problem here. Na dosha. Atra hi ti lopanantaram katar iti refantam angam. But when you do ti lopa, then katar will become the form. Tattu na rasvantam, and that is not rasvanta. Yattu rasvantam tannangam, and whatever is rasvanta, whatever is short, that is not an anga. Now no iha no refa dakarasya susthanikad dadesha avayavatvena pratyaya avayavataya prakriti bhaganantarvavat. So refa dakarasya, the refa following the refa katar at the akara and whatever is there, that is from the other adesha. Okay, so therefore what happens is that is pratyaya avayava, that is avayava for pratyaya. Therefore this becomes prakriti and that becomes pratyaya. Prakriti pratyayo pada sanya. When prakriti and pratyaya comes together, that becomes pada. No, but here wait. Hal grahana anuvrittir vyartha. You don't have to say hal. Sutisi apratam hal. You don't have to bring the hal. Hal lupyate. You don't have to say that. Even otherwise, it will only hal will go. Why? Enganta rasvanta cha angat parasya sambuddhe lopasyaditi eva vyakhyātam. You just have to say, following the enganta and rasvanta anga, whatever sambuddhi is there, that sambuddhi will get lopa. And what is sambuddhi? Ekavachana sambuddhi. And what is ekavachana? Su. Simple. You don't have to say hal. So he says, astuva hala anuvritti. Okay, let me allow you to take the freedom to carry forward the hal. Tathapi, even then, engantad hrasvanta cha angat para ya sambuddhi tadavayo hallupyate iti kutona vyakhyayata iti chet. Why don't you say, whatever enganta anga and rasvanta anga is there, following which the sambuddhi is there, that avayava, that part, limb of that of sambuddhi, hal, should be dropped. You should have to say. But you said rasvanta angat hal lupyate sambuddhischet. That hal gets dropped if it is sambuddhi. Why do you have to say that? Evam sati. Because if we are going to explain it in that say, sambuddhi avayava hal, if we say, then he jnana iti na siddhyat. The word he jnana, that will not be established. What is jnana? Knowledge. Okay, but he jnana, oh knowledge, there, how do you not get there? Tad idam ajanta napumsakalinga adhikare jnana shabda prakriya avasare mule eva spashti bhavishyati. This we will explain it. Jnana is a napumsakalinga shabda. Ajanta napumsakalinga shabda. He jnana, he jnane, he jnanani, like that it will come. He jnanam, he jnane, he jnanani, phalam phale phalani, like that. Okay, so since it is napumsakalinga shabda, when we are going to see the jnana shabda there, we will explain it very clearly in the moola itself. We are not going to discuss it here. He hare iti. We will see this. Om purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnameva vashishyate. Om shanti shanti shanti.